In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do here in Affinity, you want to, of course, have your design that you would like to print. I have this random design I created right now over here. And then you want to go to File, top left, and down here, almost at the bottom, it says Print. Click on that, and it's going to open up the printing window. And you can here select your profile. You can select your printer you want to use. Here you have the properties as well. And then here you can select how many copies you want, the range, the fit type, and then here you of course have all the different things that usually are going on when you're trying to print something. So it's up to you however you want to do this. You could change the scale as well, etc. And then down here you have the option for actually basically adapting your layout, rasterization, bleed, and marks. You can do your color management down here, and you could also print the file if you want that as well. Whenever you are happy with whatever you created over here and your settings, you can just click on OK, and it's basically going to go and start the print. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.